All right, good morning, y'all. Let's get back into this. Make sure. All right, we're on day 5. Perfect. Let's get into trading view. See what's going on. Man, SPX out of there, Nas out of there. All right, I did take some US 30 buys. Let's go to the 4 hour. Uh, this has obviously been almost impossible to break. A lot of wicks to the downside. Um, Wanting a little deeper retracement. Doesn't look like we're going to get it, but we do have the divergence into play here. So that looks really good for continuation. 2 hour looks really good. So if you're not in buys already, see when your next opportunity will be. 15. All right, cool. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Cool. So it looks really good. Of course, these highs need to be broken. Please check at each level. It could possibly reverse at any of these locations, especially as we get into certain quarter point levels. So I'd be pretty aware of, let's see. Let's stay aware of the 250 level. Let's stay aware of the 500 level. Okay. So let's go settings, coordinates, 45 to 50, no, 45. There we go. And then we will also make another one for 45, 500. Okay, cool. All right, now this retracement could come, at a 30-minute close, 15-minute close, hour close. And when it does, I mean, that'll be your opportune time. Even stop loss, we could go a little more. I'm not trying to get too crazy with it though. So control your risk as far as that's concerned. Let's see what we got going on. The hot list, hot list, hot list. SPX is moving. G30, France 40. France 40 looking really good. We gave that buyout, I want to say a day or two ago. GU probably turned around. Yeah, so never broke this low. I talked about that with the guys on our previous chart session. Let's go to the hour. All right. So without that low breaking, invalidated the trade, invalidated the head and shoulders idea, wigged down pretty aggressively, and then took off, now breaking new highs. So now that we know that, this is now the next support and resistance level, the next idea would be to look for those buys on GU. And then GJ turned around as well. So GJ revisited this previous resistance level. Let's go to the 4-hour. The dead giveaway was obviously the double bottom. All right, inside bar, break above, retest previous structure, and that would have been your potential buy point. But now we're going to see if this turns into a engulfing 4-hour. We got an hour and a half left before either deciding to buy or sell GJ. All right, things look really good for the daily. So this is why I would like to let this daily close out. So one or two options, right? You can have the 4-hour bearish engulfing pattern create and then start to send this daily candle to the downside. But if this daily does close out bullish, right, we're going to then have the idea of a potential morning star here, which will look to start to go the other way. But for now, we're still within trend. The 4-hour is coming down pretty aggressively. So sell opportunity could still be there. Could still be there. Let's see what we got for the dollar. All right, nice double top on the dollar. We could not stay above the structure that we had here. Again, we just ended up creating the structure back here that we had previously, right? It was previous resistance or previous support, sorry, rather. Now resistance, 2 hits. So we're probably going to see the dollar now continue its drop to the downside, which will help our US 30 play continue to go forward. Silver and gold probably going to continue to the top side. It's just the case of the matter. Silver came in strong though. Silver came in really strong. So after this 4-hour, I would just I'd be looking for a retest of 31.1 and continuation of 31.75. Coming out of a double bottom situation here. Obvious head and shoulders, broke some very relevant resistance areas, created support, 4-hour candle close doji right back above the support area, and take off from there. So gold should be following suit here soon. I was so tied up yesterday. I did not properly close my TopStep, so I took a pretty hefty loss on gold. So I'm going to be restarting my TopStep here today and be back on with you guys to get that knocked out tomorrow. Things look really good here though for gold buys. All right, we're coming into the 2-hour retracement here. All right, we already got the 50% retrace, so I like that. So as far as my entry is concerned, I mean, you can honestly buy here. And look to long gold. All right, we're right behind previous structure. And We can get rid of this fib. All right. I'm not getting too crazy here. Keep my 3-to-1 risk to reward, 43 pip SL. And that's going to bring us back into those highs at 26.63. So that looks really good. I'm going to get a couple of these off to the community. Let's see how we're doing over here. So stay patient. We got 30 minutes. Should close here soon. Copy that way. And that's US 30. We're gonna get that one off, and then also potential gold buys. Do want to move my stop about there. Okay. All looks good. Let me go ahead and buy on my own account. And we'll go 0.2. Cool. Let gold do its thing. And then GU is out of there. Okay, down. Well, all right, so we should have a change of pace for GA and EA, which have played out very well. So if you are in these trades, I would come up out of GA and EA, to be honest, right? So we're coming to a resistance level 4-hour, previous doji. I'm actually going to look for some sell opportunities here. Let's go to the hour. All right, so I like that. Nice 50% retrace into that. Might have to go ahead and pop a sell on EA. And we'll see. Just on the minimum. Take it back to that low there. And if we can hold longer, fantastic. Let's see. And that's all I have. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Of course, you can check us out at myitu.org, and we will reconvene tomorrow.